Hi Ray, I have a few more changes to brief in. Thank you for all your efforts so far, it's been fantastic. Everything's working really well. With the Mapbox style that I have at the moment, the track that is here, I have restyled that to be red, but in the demo page, map page, it's still the default yellow. If I can show you here. Okay, so this is the style which I would like, so I've changed the track to red, and any other edits that I would do would show up, but in this instance this is the only change that I've done, making the track red. Now, going into the styles for outdoors, I published it 22 minutes ago. You can go share and use and grab this URL that's here, so copy that URL, which I did. And then go into MapPress and then down into the style maps, and I've placed in the new URL. And as I've mentioned, when I go to refresh the map, clear the cache, it's still yellow, it's still the old map. If I get that URL and plug it directly into the browser, it is showing that it's the red track. So the URL is fine, but there seems to be some integration problem with the URL into MapPress. I have also got deleted and put in a new public Mapbox access token, and it still has not fixed the problem. I would go to the plugin author, but I'm not sure. We've made a lot of changes to the map with hoverings and things, so maybe it's something that you've done which is preventing the map from loading in. I'm not sure, so I just thought I'd get you to check this out first. Would you be able to check out why that is not updating with the most current map, please? Other issues that just need to be fixed are the changes. The icon is still down. If I zoom out, we'll get a region marker. I'll go right out actually. This is all working amazing. Thanks so much. So here, there, it actually, I think you would have seen that. They were in the right position, and then right at the end they just moved down a little bit. I'll just remove this black bar and come back in a second. I'm pretty sure I checked that and it was still doing the same things. Okay, so I've reloaded the map so that the black admin bar is not at the top. The icons, as you can see, are down. They're kind of all over the place. The zoom in and the zoom out are top aligned on the grey bar. The grey and the green are, well, they're kind of in the center as they are, and the viewed and the favorite words are top aligned. It's almost like the grey and the green are okay, they should stay where they are, but everything else, the zoom in, zoom out, and its icons, viewed and favorite texts, all need to come down into the center of the grey bar. I've just moved over to a satellite marker now, and what I just briefed in doesn't really apply to the satellite markers. They seem to be different again. So everything looks center aligned. Except for the icon, which needs to come up. So that's it for the changes for now. Thanks so much, Ray. Amazing work as usual. Cheers.